Namaste and welcome to Vastu DXP. I'm Shri Adi and today we are addressing a very real and very common question. How do you apply Vastu in an apartment? Vastu was originally written for independent houses, where one could design everything from the entrance to the kitchen until the last tile with full control. But what about apartments? In a flat, you are entering a space already built by somebody else, your developer. You can't rotate the kitchen, you can't shift the main door, and you cannot definitely break the slab to align your toilet to a different direction. So, does that mean Vastu won't work in apartments? That's absolutely not true at all. Vastu is very flexible and full of remedies. While we may not be able to change the structure, but we can align the energy flow. That's what this series is all about. In the coming videos, I will walk you through simple and generic remedies for east, west, south, and north facing apartments. These won't require matching your birth chart. They are universal corrections that benefit everyone at every home. Simple things, practical tips, and yes, changes you can do without renovating the entire structure of your house. So, if you're living in an apartment or planning to buy one, stay tuned because this Vastu series is just for you. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe on our channel, Vastu DXP. Thank you so much.